Do you want to make your own restaurant food delivery application? Then check out our latest video. In this video, we are going to explain how you will receive notification in your web admin. And yes, this type of loud alarm notification you will receive whenever there is a new order. This is our ready to launch single vendor multi-branch application. Now you can make your restaurant online and do not need to worry to miss the order, because you will receive every time this loud alarm notification until you received, accept or reject the order. Now you can click on the order and you can see the order details like order is pending. You can change the order status and you can see the order is paid or not paid, at what date the order is made. You can assign a delivery boy. You can also see the location of customer on map. You can see what products the customer has ordered. You can see the customer details. You can see his address. You can also see the branch he has ordered. Yes, it is a multi-branch app like McDonald's, Domino's. You can be a single vendor with multiple shops available at different locations. And that's how you can confirm an order using our single vendor multi-branch application. You can also set a preparation time. You will get a application, user app, branch panel, website and an admin like this with 1 year free technical support. You can control the order. Also the branch manager can control the order. Customer can order from his nearby branch and you can assign the delivery boy like this. If you want to make your own food delivery app like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you and make your own food delivery application for your own restaurant. That is how you can manage the admin. If you want to make an application like this with all these features, amazing features to start your online business, kindly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on your screen. I'll see you in the next video. Ronik's Making World Online.